Hey everyone, welcome back. I am glad you tuned in for another video on the Paletteopoly. Today I am going to swatch the 24 shades for you so you can see what you're getting. And I'm doing this in natural light, sitting by the door, making sure you can see all the colors. I'm gonna swatch all the colors and we're gonna see what it looks like. Again, this is what the palette looks like. There are 10 shimmers and they look pretty. I'm going to do the shimmers first. I love shimmers. So I'm gonna do them first. Let us begin. The first shimmer is called Material Girl. This is Material Girl. This is what my finger still looks like. It's very pigmented. Second shimmer is called VHS. This is VHS. You remember VHS back in the day? Yep, we all remember that. Third shimmer is called Walkman. I had a couple Walkmans. Memory lane here. Okay, this is what Walkman looks like. Memory lane for sure. Number 4 is called Slime and it's green. Take a look. It looks like it have a shift. So that's number 4, which is Slime. There we go. Trying to show you in natural light. Beautiful. Okay, number 5 is called Acid Wash. Remember your acid wash jeans? Everybody wanted one. I had the mini skirt with the zipper. It was an acid wash mini skirt with a zipper where you can make it long. You take out the piece and make it short and then add the zipper section to make it long. Tell me if you had one. So Acid Wash is a blue. Tell me if you had one of those. Oh, I'm only swatching once and see, these are pretty and well pigmented. Okay, so this is a number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, number 6 is Scrunchy. Back in the day, or even today, we're still wearing scrunchies. When my hair was longer, it's always in a one plait, and I've always had scrunchies. So this is what scrunchy looked like. Very pretty, very pretty. Okay, number 7 is called Queen. We are all queens. This is what Queen looks like. None of them are the same. Not one color so far have duplicated itself. Not one. And this is natural light. Boy band. We all know a boy band. Name yours in the comment. Here it is. Boy band. Did I put enough boy band? Yes, it's just dark. You can use that for an outer corner. Even though it's a shimmer, you can use that as an outer corner for those who like dark outer corners. That's boy band. Fashion is the pink. Hot pink. Perfect. Fashion. Back in the 80s, if you're an 80s child, you know fashion was big. Big hair, hairspray, teased hair, bangs teased. I mean, there was fashion. Clothes. I mean, this is a lot of memory. This palette is a memory palette for me right here. Okay, so this is what fashion looks like. It's a pink. And then the last shimmer in there is called Purple Rain. Ooh, leave me in the comments. This is Purple Rain. I want to come close. Again, I'm in natural light. This is Purple Rain. You will see all these colors individually when I'm filming with my camera, but right now this is on my phone and I'm in natural light. I wanted to do it natural light so you can see. These are the 10 shimmers, and this palette is really memory lane. Oh my god, the shimmers are pretty, they are soft. One swipe, this is one swipe. I have never done any swatches that pretty and that easy. So that's to show you I am impressed. Take a look. Impressed. I did a fabulous job here. But the names, definitely memory lane. Memory lane. When you hear them, it will take you somewhere. So these are the 10 shimmers in the Paletteopoly from Ace Beauty. I am going to do the mattes on this side. Okay, we have 14 mattes. 14 mattes in the palette. Let's see if they apply as nicely as the shimmers. Natural light. Coming close so you can see them. I'm going a little further away so you can see them. Beautiful. Okay, now the mattes. Vogue. Remind me of a couple things. Vogue, I'm starting a little higher up. And this is nice. This is bordery. This is Vogue. And the other color, which is a yellow, is called As If. Didn't we say that a lot back in the day? As if you think, as if this is as if. Like I tell you, this palette is memory lane. And I'm only doing one swipe because I want you to see what one swipe looks like. Next one is called Mullet. Who had a mullet in high school? Mullet, oh my god. Okay, here is mullet. This is mullet. Mullet is like a beige. Well, it is a beige color. This is mullet right here. The next one is called Digital Pet. Oh boy. Tell me what these names bring back memories to, okay? I need to know in the comments. This is a purple. And it's this pigmented. Macarena. Oh my god. I did the Macarena. When the Macarena dance came out, I was pregnant with my second son. Okay, this one. This is Macarena. I was pregnant with my second son. I danced my behind off. Macarena is like. Oh my god. Tell me if Macarena bring back some memories for you. I dance. Next one is Friends. You can use it differently. It's also a purple, but it's a lighter purple. I'm using my left hand. I'm right-handed, so I think I'm doing very good so far. So that's Friends. Next one is Funny Pack. Did I have a... Yeah, I had a Funny Pack years ago. I actually use it to go Disney. So when I'm, it makes it easy so I can get stuff when you have kids. A Funny Pack comes in handy. So this is Funny Pack. Oh yeah, one swipe. I don't want to do two. This is one swipe. I'm not doing two, but the colors are pigmented because see my finger? So that's Funny Pack. Have you ever had a Funny Pack? Do you still have a Funny Pack? Let me know. A Funny Pack is a good thing to have, especially when you go into the park or to a concert and stuff like that. You want to have something like a Funny Pack where you can always keep close. So, it's not that like a handbag and stuff. So Funny Pack is this one. Next one is Neon. Neon was big. neon lights, neon this, neon that. I'm telling you. Okay, so neon is a hot pink. I guess I pressed too hard in the pan. This is neon. I'm trying to clean my fingers because I think I'm transferring colors. This is neon. Yeah, I think I transferred color on neon when I didn't wipe my hands properly. But neon is this hot pink right here. The colors are much more pigmented, but like I say, I am doing one swipe just so you can see. Shoulder pads. Did you have shoulder pads in every clothes back in the day? Everything back in the day had shoulder pads. They had removable shoulder pads. They had the one that was stitch in place. It makes you look taller. Some of them make you look awkward. Did you remember shoulder pads? Oh my God. This palette, memory lane. Memory lane for me. So it's also a purple, but it's a different shade of purple. And here we go. This is shoulder pads. Shoulder pads right here. See how all the purples are different? Different shades. Some are lighter like lilac, some is deep like it has like a wine burgundy, and this one is a purple, a true purple. Oh my God, we have 4 more colors. Oh no, I have 5 more colors. I have not done big hair. So big hair, ooh, I skipped big hair. How did that happen? Big hair came before shoulder pads. So this is big hair, it's a brown. That's the one that came broken in the palette, but I don't care about that. I press it back in place. And I think I'm transferring colors because my fingers are not clean. Okay, let's do this. This is big hair, but I think there was some color left on my finger when I switched big hair, so it might have a tinge right here of a different color on top here. But big hair is like a brown with like a burgundy color. It is very pretty. That color came broken, but I press everything back in place. I don't need a new palette. I am fine. The palette is perfect just the way it is. I am cleaning my fingers so I don't transfer more colors. Now we are going into Ninja Turtle. It is so interesting because I still have my first son's Ninja Turtle blanket, and my second son was just asking me where it is recently, and I cannot find it. I think I packaged it and put it away recently, and I cannot remember where it is. But Mutant Ninja Turtle back in the day when you have kids, oh yeah, every Saturday, that's what they're watching. So this is the green. I love it. For this one, I'll have to do 2 swatches because, like I say, I am like transferring colors and I have to clean it. Okay, this is Mutant Ninja Turtle. Well, this is Ninja Turtle. I have something else stuck in my head. Okay, and the next one is Grungy. We are moving to Grungy. Grungy is like a green mixed with brown. Right here. Can you see the difference? There is a difference, but it's pretty. That's grungy. Next one is mixtape. Back in the day when we had VC, it was cassettes. Back in the day when we had cassettes, we used to go to the music store back in St. Thomas and I'd ask them for mixtape. That means they put a variety of musics on there and you pay one price. Mixtape. Tell me what memories this palette bring to you. This is another purple. Very pretty. This is another purple. I'm gonna make it a little bigger for you. This one surprised me. It didn't look like a purple. It looked like a very dark brown. But see the color there? It is so pretty. It's called Mix Tape. Ooh, and the next one, if that don't bring back memories for you, if this palette don't bring back memories for you, I don't know. If it doesn't bring memories for you, ask somebody older than you about this palette, the names in the palette, and they will smile and tell you something because it's going to jog a memory. The last one is called Leg Warmers. Back in the day, there were exercises on TV and everybody had their leg warmers. And we would buy our leg warmers even though we lived in a hot place just to have leg warmers. Leg warmers were everywhere. So this is leg warmers. And that is a bright blue. Leg warmers. So these are all the mats, 14 mats, and this is what they look like. And they are all memory lane. I'm showing you all of them so you can see. And this is all natural light. And all of them are one swipe except one, which I transfer color, so I had to go back and fix it, this one. But everything there is one swipe. I didn't want to do 2 and 3. I just want to show you how pigmented it is with just one swipe. And I'm using my left hand. And I'm right-handed. So these are the colors in that palette. That palette is beautiful. And beyond beautiful, it is a memory lane palette. This palette brings back memories. It will jog your memory. It will remind you where you are. It will remind you where you were or what you were doing when you look at these colors. Mixtape, big hair, mullet, Vogue, neon, fashion, Ninja Turtle, grungy, purple rain, big hair. I mean, what more can you ask for in a palette? And the colors surprise me. They are pigmented, they are pretty, the mats are nice and soft and buttery. Oh, they're so cute. So these are the colors in the Paletteopoly from Ace Beauty. This is not sponsored. This was a gift given to me by a family member. But I just want you to see how pretty these are in natural light. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Thank you for watching this video. There is another video coming up. So keep watching while I do this little palette. Keep watching while I do these little pieces of this palette. I broke it down into different sections because I didn't want it to be a 2-hour long video because I want you to get the palette if you want it. So I break it down in sections so you can see if it's a palette you want or not. But these again are the colors. These are the colors. Shimmers, 10 shimmers, 14 mattes. All beautiful, all nice, all buttery. Today's inspirational word is memories. I am using memories because this palette just jogged so many memories for me by just looking at names and swatching them. So memories is today's inspirational word. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I Simply Makeup will see you in the next video. There's another video coming. I'm going to do an eyeshadow look, the card that I pulled out from the game. So keep watching, and in the comments please let me know what the names that I mentioned of these shadows, what memory did it jog for you. Bye.